Howdy, Vian here. Okay, so everybody wants to master a Klaviyo audit sheet, okay? Here at Magnet Monster, we have built ourselves a very simple yet super effective Klaviyo audit sheet that we use on client accounts, okay? Now, it kind of looks like this. I'm, of course, not going to expose everything about it, because it has taken us some time to create it, so I can't just give it away for free. Anyways, so we, for D2C brands, when it comes down to email and SMS marketing, there's a couple of things that we check, okay? We look over some of these areas: email deliverability, flow automations, campaigns, core technical setup, SMS setup, subscriber list growth, and third-party integrations. Now we have a score out of 100% that kind of indicates your health within the section as well. Let me show you how this works, and feel free to build your own one. Feel free to connect with me if you want more guidance on what we've included within our checks. So for instance, how does it work? How does it work for us? Okay, so we've got email deliverability here. So within the sheet, we've got some drop-down sections here. You can see there. And then we've got some individual checks that we do across email deliverability. So for instance, your sending infrastructure, you are sending via a dedicated sending domain. Yes, no, no, you are not. Your DMARC, we look at your policies. We look at your email domain authentication setup. Let's say, for argument's sake, this is set up, but there's some errors. This one is fine, for instance. This one is fine. You end up BIMI enabled, so 0. We look at your unsubscribe rates, your trends over time, your bounce rate over time. Let's say that is in a K-ish position or health. And then you can kind of see how it feeds an overall score out of 100. We then do the same thing with flow automation. We look across the key flows, the money makers. Ching, ching. We also look at other flows. We score it out of 100. And then obviously add in some notes, a note section there. We do the same thing with campaigns. We do the same thing with the core technical setup, SMS setup, subscriber list growth, and third-party integration. So get yourself one of these, whoever is in charge of your Klaviyo email audit. If you want more guidance on it, DM me. If you want us to conduct one of these for your DTC brand, someone you know, let us know, let me know. But yeah, Klaviyo audits, we love all of them. This is how we do it.